Hold that board under. All right, guys, James Berber Lunacy. We're out here on Wheeler Lake. It's supposed to be 1 mile an hour. We looked, it said 4. I would say it's more than that. But we're going to try a little bit of nighttime dragging with some planer boards. Probably going to suspend one off the side too, just to keep a close eye on. We're at 53 feet. We are at Wheeler Dam on the top side, well, right next to it. So we're going to run a line across it, probably run back, not exactly sure. Let's get some bait chopped up. Let's get some rods in the water and see what happens. Got one, guys. There we go. Got a board snagged up and a fish on the hook. Little youngster to start the day. Yeah. This was a little fish. It's just a youngster, but yeah. Hungry.
Ain't bad fish. Again.
Well, there's a fish, guys. We got a rod snagged up, so let's fix that mess.
There he goes. There he goes. Yeah.
Chasing it down. Chasing it down.
Fish on.
Fish on. All right.
Do me a flavor. Fill that up some. It'll come on up.
Just save it up for you for now. They're on board. Couple of them on the graph. 45 foot. Better?
Yeah.
Step up. That one there. These round cakes. It's round cakes. Alright. That's a triangle fish.
Yeah. Better than nothing going.
Uh-oh. Double that. Double that.
Like that.
Fish on. Double pretty much for the most part. Popped that hard too. He nailed it. Same with yours.
Yeah.
Get that sucker. Had it down real good. Take it. Oh, take it.
Yeah, you hooked him. You got him?
Well, he got, yeah, I'd say he got hooked. He freaking hammered that sucker straight down. It's on the orange kitty calls, skipjack head, all that good jazz, you know what I mean? Thanks, Ricky.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that's his baby brother from Ricky's Fish. It's alright, but we got one. Double there for the most part. Take it. I'm ready to go if he wants to let off. Alright guys, I'm going to interrupt the video just a quick second here. I I did not put all the fish in this video just because it was running so long already. Plus, running planer boards is very time consuming on pulling fish in, unhooking the boards, and doing all that kind of stuff. So, hope you all enjoy the video. There'll be one or two more of these videos, and then we'll be back on the Ohio River. Stay tuned.
There's a lot of stuff.
Suspended rod finally went down too. All right. There we go.
Look at that one.
Wow. Yeah, we just rolled in. Man, I need to get some bait in. Just rolled right through some fish. That's 3 fish. Man, we got a bunch of them.
Right at the mouth.
Let's let that one go. Got it.
Oh!
Down.
Yeah. Trying to get the drag out on him.
Hold that board under.
Hit it like one anyway, didn't he?
Sure hit it like a big guy.
Just figured out he got caught.
Nice fish.
Yeah, he back.
Not at all. Not bad at all.
Yeah.
One, two, three, smile. That tail out.
And a nice one.
Good one, guys. Fish on.
Good night, good night.
Rick is on tonight.
Yeah.
On them big ones. Let's get another.
There. Damn. Fish on. Now James is on.
Better. No. Okay. Still there. Yeah. It's better. Better than the other one. Lazy though.
Shake it. Yeah, fuck you then, dude.
I don't know about this one. Don't think he's
Surprise, surprise, surprise.
A little better here, guys. A little better.
Want that net? Okay.
He's just acting bigger than he thinks he really is. Just trying to show off now for the boat. Come on, boy. Say he stored up that energy for the size of the boat. Not that bad, is it?
No, that's what I said. He's a good fish.
He's bigger than I thought.
That's why I said he's going to get that net.
All right, guys. Finally got me one better than a 2-pounder. He's madder than a rattlesnake.
Look at his eyeball. Yeah.
I don't think that's for me. Yeah, I'm gonna let him go. I don't think I'm gonna get no picture of him. Yeah. I should, but I'm not.
I didn't want to go back. No, man.
That's a fish. That's a fish on right there.
Should have been, I seen the board dart. The board darts like that, ain't no snag. A good one?
No, he felt like it at first. Now he's acting weird.
Pretty good bend.
Might even be off.
Might be coming at you.
Yeah.
It's just netting regardless. Mess around them damn vice grips. Fish grips.
Looks like a little better one, guys. He definitely smoked a big old head. That might have been him at first and let off and he came back.
Yeah, that was a bite the first time. I was like, I don't know if that's a snag.
I had my head turned when you said that. And you gotta be kidding me. No, it's just
Coming at you.
getting weird. Oh, I think it came off. I think he's off. Yep. No, he didn't. Swimming. Oh no, keep going that.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
Good one.
In the net. Okay, that works. Nice fish there. All right, that's a good one.
Oh yeah. About time.
Woo! There he is, guys. I'm gonna take a quick picture of this one. I'm gonna let him go. All right.
Good job.
All right, guys. Let's let her go. Nice. Mean one there.
I'm gonna be honest with you. Ever since I switched up and was just using cut bait instead of those heads, and they are
You had to say something, didn't you?
yeah.
There we go. Still fish on.
Yeah.
There we go. Look at that.
Smoked that one.
Still going, guys. Still going here. Yep. Nice. We got that on the other camera, though. I believe it's on long as it's still going. Yep.
Good night.
Crispy one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, they can go in that. Big enough for that.
Be a little easier.
I'll take care of him. Got another one going, guys. He is smoking it. Smoking it out there. Ah. You wanting a picture of this fish? I'm gonna let him
That's
go.
all right. You put him back. Hook's still in him.
All right, I got it out. There's Ricky's fish. He's got another one on, guys. Let's put him back. Might need that net. We don't know yet. Get off of there, pal.
That's for sure.
That's right there. This rod real quick. Get that out of the way. Yeah, he was flying, man. He was
Right.
flying across that.
Kind of like a triple up there, isn't it?
Yeah. That's how you lose all your line. Start catching fish and forget the school's open, running out there.
Right.
Phew, man.
These sizes have kind of been consistent here lately. Looking they're good today. Get this clip here.
That's right behind you. Right.
Hit that like he was a big dog,
He
didn't he?
had that board flying across the
Yeah.
top of that water. It was pretty much under for the most part.
Yep. Easy.
Just using clear boards tonight, guys. The original clear boards. I actually use these on my boat too. These were recommended by Ricky, and they've done a great job on my boat as well.
These
He
are
puts
tea
these
lights
little
that's
tea
on the
lights.
top. Amazon, you know. Put some Velcro on them.
Puts Velcro on them, so that's easy to take off and on, and they've held on there all night long. He's been using them like that for a long time. Pretty good little deal, you know what I mean? You don't have to put holes in your boards or anything.
Little hot glue on them.
Yeah, pretty good deal. I'm gonna have to do that with mine. All right, guys. Got it. Fish on. Alright. Just moving along up here. Right against the wind is all we can do. We wanted to go across the dam, but we had to go upstream instead. Running at 43.7 foot right now. Dragging board still.
Yeah, I was just
Be a hair better, huh? I would say.
youngster.
Youngster. Got us some wrapped up. Alright.
Youngster.
Triangle there. Nice one. Healthy. Healthy. Love them triangle shaped.
big board over there.
There we go. Look like a real one there. Probably better. Fish on. Stack. Fish on, guys, fish on. Can't say it's a better one. You won't be able to get through that board, and then you can't get up out there. Not be too bad. A little better anyway. Just in case. We're gonna get the net just in case. Not 100% on this fish. It's acting a little wild. Yeah, I think you got a good one. He wants to go in the center.
Yeah, but he's not pulling hard. Now he may here take off. There you go. Is he mad or what?
He's a mad fish. Alright guys, we're gonna call him 40. He's a good 40 pound fish, I'd say. 38, 40, right there. Definitely. And our scales are all acting stupid. I'm not going to deal with it now. Beautiful fish, guys. How about that? Another one. So we're actually getting bumped around here.
Get your picture.
There you go.
Another one.
Hard hit.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Reel this other one up some, please. Another one. I don't think he's a big one yet. Got a good one.
More slime for Rick tonight. What a great fish. He keeps putting his tail in. Got him. There we go. Let him go, guys. Fish on. Alright guys, we're going to end the night here. We got to go catch some more bait tomorrow. We got 3 more days out here in Alabama. Not sure exactly what the weather's going to allow us to do, but we're going to do something. So hang tight. Normally fish the Ohio River. Just in case you're new to the channel, that's the waters. The river is in my backyard, but I'm on vacation and we're out here searching for a monster. As you've seen, we're getting a couple here and there. Things are looking better. So we're going to get some rest, catch some more bait, do it again. See you on the next round. Thanks for watching.